Nation, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. Help me out on this channel. Let's break the algorithm. Today somebody sent me a question by text, actually on YouTube this time. YouTube comments is good too, but you can also text me 949-415-6256. Dan, I need your advice. I have been away from clinical research for 10 years. I'm living in America now, so I'm assuming they came here from somewhere else. I find it very difficult to get a job in clinical research. Could you please guide me? Yes, 10 years is a big gap. It's the good thing is you do have research experience on your resume. The question is, what did you do in the past 10 years? And employers want recent and relevant experience, which you have neither of, right? A lot changes in 10 years. The systems change. 10 years ago, we were actually still using EDC 10 years ago. It wasn't that long ago. But still, things change, like virtual trial, remote monitoring. eSource was not even imagined 10 years ago. Now it's gaining a lot of steam. So it's not much, really, that you've missed out on in that 10 years. But the way an employer looks at it is, what's the reason? If it was something like having kids or tending to a loved one or family, those are easily explainable in an interview. But the problem is, I'm assuming, getting that interview. And what you have to do is what I tell everybody, even with those without experience, what they have to do. And that's get internship experience of any sort, any kind of internship experience you can get. Start at the small sites. Go in your area, wherever it is. If it's a small town, find the biggest metropolitan city. Or if it's a small town with sites, even better, and apply at the sites. Ignore the prestigious places, ignore the universities, ignore all those places. Go at the small research clinics and apply there for anything. And maybe you were a physician in another country. Maybe you were a foreign trained doctor. Those kind of people with those backgrounds make excellent study coordinators. Who wouldn't want someone like that interning at their clinic? Right now, sites need a lot of help. Another thing you can do is help sites do community outreach. We talked yesterday a lot about all this technology out there in the industry and how people mistakenly think that that's going to change the industry, that's going to improve outcomes for diversity, it's going to improve outcomes for getting more patients in studies. That's absolutely false. What we're going to need is more people, more human interaction, more community outreach, more grassroots approach. So you can tell sites that you can help them getting patients for their studies, or at least do community outreach. You can also tell sites that you can do community outreach and educate other physicians in the clinic. You can also tell sites that you can go on clinicaltrials.gov because you learned this from somebody on YouTube named Dan Sfera, who they should also subscribe, comment, and like on his channel, that you can get studies on clinicaltrials.gov, or you can at least show them the studies that are out there that you can then, if you find the right email contact, apply for using LinkedIn, using different tools online that I've talked about before. So that's what you got to do. Ignore the universities, ignore the hospitals. You're not going to get hired in those big prestigious places, but you might get hired in the small. Small is the new big. Good luck. Thank you very much. Let me know how it goes, and try the strategy so that in 6 months I can interview you. Another option, I forgot to mention it, we have 2 academies. Both of them give you relevant and research internship experience on your resume. We have the CRA Academy, where we have a breast cancer study where individuals who finish the 3-month program can do breast cancer monitoring. Our next class starts in October. And we have a CRC Academy where you're going to learn how to be a CRC, and then we also have an internship there where you're going to get recent and relevant experience for your resume. That can help speed up the process and take away some of the sweat, equity, blood, sweat, and tears that you're inevitably going to encounter. Even when you try, you'll see how much effort it takes to even want to work for free. Let me say that again. You'll see how much effort it takes to even want to work for free to get your foot in the door in this space. Good luck. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.